Welcome to 6th standard English medium students. In your first term maths textbook, look at the page number 13. In the number chapter, in the numbers chapter, that is in the first chapter, exercise 1.2. First term letter, fill in the blanks with greater than or less than or equal to symbols. First term letter, first question. What are the two given numbers? 48,792. 48,792. This is 48,972. Left side 48,000, right side 48,000. Left side 700 இருக்கு, right side 900 இருக்குது. So this is greater. The second number is greater. The first number is smaller. So this is smaller. How will you read this? 48,792 is smaller than 48,972. Question number 2. Let us read the number in Indian number system. This is thousands, this is lakhs. What is the first number? 12 lakhs 48,654. The second number is 12 lakhs 46,854. இதில் பாருங்கள் 12 lakhs ஓகே. இங்கே 48,000 46,000. 46,000 is smaller and 48,000 is bigger. So the first number is greater. 12 lakhs 48,654 is greater than 12 lakhs 46,854. Third question. Let us read both of these numbers in Indian number system. 6,58,794. 6,58,794. இது 6,58,794. So both are equal. Second row letter. Say true or false. First question. The difference between the smallest number of 7 digits and the largest number of 6 digits is 10. So we have to write the two numbers and then find the difference. The smallest number of 7 digits. What is that? The smallest 7 digit number is 1 எழுதி 6 zeros எழுதுங்க. This is the smallest number of 7 digit. 1 எழுதி 6 zeros போட்டிங்கன்னா totally it has 7 digits. This is the smallest 7 digit number. அடுத்து the largest number of 6 digits. 6 digit largest number எழுதுங்க. 9 9 9 9 9 9 6 times எழுதுங்க. What is that number? 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Here they ask us to find the difference. So subtract. So we have to subtract. This is 10 lakhs and this is 9,99,999. So 10 lakhs வந்து இதை கழிச்சோம்னா what will you get? 1 only. இந்த சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் செக் பண்ண என்ன செய்யணும்? இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. நைன் லேக்ஸ் 99,999 ஒன் ஆட் பண்ணால் 10 lakhs கிடைக்கும். இந்த சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் செக் பண்ணோம்னா செகண்ட் அண்ட் தேர்ட் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணால் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் 1. But they give is 10. Answer is 10 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So it is false. So the answer is false. Second question. The largest 4-digit number formed by the digits 8, 6, 0, 9. Using each digit only once is 9,086. Here they ask us to find the largest 4-digit number using these 4 digits only once. Each digit only once use பண்ணணும். What is the largest 4-digit number? 9,860. This is the largest 4-digit number, 9,860. But they give 9,086. The answer should be this, but they gave another number, so it is false. Third question. The total number of 4-digit numbers is 9,000. The total number of 4-digit numbers is 9,000. At first, let us write the greatest 4-digit number. What is that? 9999. This is the greatest 4-digit number. From that, we have to remove 3-digit, 1-digit, 2 digits, 3-digit numbers, so that we will get the 4-digit numbers total only. One, two, three, so on. 1, 2, 3 la 1-digit number, and then 10, 11, 12, so on, 2-digit numbers, and then 100, 101, they are all 3-digit numbers. Here we have to find the total of 4-digit numbers only. So 999 வரைக்கும் 3-digit numbers. அதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. There are 999 1-digit, 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. அதை சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. You will get the counting of total of 4-digit numbers only. Find the difference. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9. What is that? 9000. What is that? 9000. Third question of the numbers 1, 2, 3 numbers are bigger numbers are given. Which one is the largest? Which one is the largest? Which one is the smallest? எது biggest number, largest number, எது smallest number னு கேக்குறாங்க. So let us read the number. If we read the number either in Indian number system or in international number system, we can easily find whether it is the largest or the smallest. இல்லை கமா இன்சர்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இதை நான் பாருங்கள், தௌசண்ட்ஸ், சாரி ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ், இது தௌசண்ட்ஸ், இது லேக்ஸு, இது க்ரோர்ஸ். 138 crores. இது என்ன? 138 crores and something. இது பாருங்கள், ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸ், இது தௌசண்ட்ஸ், லேக்ஸ், crores. This is nearly 13 crores. It 138 crores and something. This is 13 crores and something. And this is ones, tens, hundreds. This thousands. This lakhs. This crores. This 8 crores and something. This crores வச்சு கம்பேர் பண்ணலாம். 138 crores 13 crores 8 crores and something. எது largest, எது smallest? You can easily say that 8 crores 13 crores 138 crores and something. Crores வச்சு கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்க ஈஸியாக. Largest number, the largest number is equal to, the largest number is equal to என்ன 138 crores and something. அதுதான் largest number. 138 crores 67 lakhs 87,215. What is the smallest number? இங்க பாருங்க 8 crores and something, 13 crores and something, 113 crores and something. இதில் 8 crores and something is the smallest. So the smallest number is equal to 8 crore 67 lakhs 20,560. The smallest number is 8 crore 67 lakhs 20,516. Thank you, students. God bless you.